morning, Mom. I'm Karen Hamito from NACA New Age Caregiver Academy, and I'm going to take your oxygen saturation level. May I know your name, Ma'am? Which finger do you prefer, Ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Your oxygen saturation level is 99%. Thank you, ma'am, and have a nice day. Thank you.
Wow, perfect.